This is the elevator at the IMAX Theater in Farmingdale. It's a Dover Impulse. And it's a buzz. I approve. Oh, it's got this indicator. It's got the black rails. Oof. It's actually kind of nice. I actually like this one. £2,000. Yeah, I just saw Pink Floyd in Pompeii. That goes. God. Like that indicator. The only other impulse I've seen with that indicator is the Residence in Plainview. It's got Dover down there. We got a EMS phone. I like this impulse. It looks like, ooh, this is an interesting text. I like that impulse, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's like a...
I thought it was pretty interesting.
I think this actually might be a ThyssenDover impulse.
And they came in there fighting.
Because of this right here. That's a ThyssenKrupp impulse call station because of this fire service. So I'm thinking this is a ThyssenDover. Alright, that's it.